What's up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be making crawfish étouffée. I said this before and I'll say it again. I'm not a chef, I just be cooking. So we're gonna pretty much jump right into it. You're gonna start by washing your rice. You wanna wash your rice with some warm water for about 30 seconds to a minute or until the water starts to run clear. I use a strainer because it's way easier than washing rice in a bowl. Next, you want to get your veggies. You want to get your yellow, red, orange, and green bell peppers as well as a yellow onion. And you want to mince all of those. Once you finish mincing those, you want to mix them together. And then I'm going to show you what to do once I get back. Okay, I'm back now, guys. We got that pan going on medium to high heat with that butter melted. After we get that butter melted, we're gonna throw some bell peppers and onions in there. Then we're gonna add some garlic. Minced garlic is the best garlic to use. If you guys don't like to really just chop it up, peel, or do the work of having a clove of garlic. Next, you're gonna add your salt. You're gonna add your black pepper, your paprika, your seasoned all, stop your mama, and Italian. You're gonna get that pretty much going at a nice consistency. All right, guys, we're back in the kitchen. We're pretty much getting our sausages. We're gonna chop them up into slices, whatever slices you guys prefer. Get them crawfish tails and put them in there as well. Next, we're gonna get the bay leaves. Yes, I crack my bay leaves. I feel like that activate the taste. So if you don't, that's you. This is my way of doing it, and I'm still gonna crack them. All right. After that, we're gonna pretty much get that cooked down for about 20 minutes. Okay, guys, we're coming in hot with that cream of mushroom. So now we're gonna go 2 scoops in. I like to do 2 scoops for the at least 5 to 8 minutes on medium to low heat to mix and make sure that I'm getting the consistency that I want. After that, I'm gonna add about 2 more scoops as well as some water, just to, get a nice loosened type of After letting that sit for about 10 minutes, you want to check on your rice and make sure that your rice is done dry and good. And there you pretty much have it, your crawfish étouffée with sausages and veggies. If you guys like this video, make sure you leave a thumbs up, make sure you subscribe and comment, as well as sharing this video. Thank you all for watching, and I hope you tune in for more. I will be posting and keeping you guys updated.